Good morning. I hope you're having a great day. So the farmer market was successful yesterday. We only ended up, I think, having 8 vendors or something like that. But I sold out of all of my flowers, every last one. So that's awesome. And I also sold some basil because I'd thrown some in a jar. So very good market. And I'll put some footage up of my booth. And then here is the order that the bouquet sold in. And number 7. Number 4. Number 5. Number 2. Number 6. Number 1. Number 3. I wasn't surprised that the 2 blue ones with the sunflowers went first. They were just really striking. That yellow with the blue vase, it was just so pretty. And then after those 2 went, the rest of them, I mean, I thought they were all pretty yesterday. And the most fall looking one, kind of the maroony one, and I guess the orange one was a little fall looking, but the maroony one went last. So maybe people aren't ready for fall yet. But anyway, that was the order they sold in. I had a few people that actually picked number 7, and number 7 was the first to go. So good job on that. And now I'm out here bright and early, and I'm going to harvest. I'm trying to find a lot of fall colors. That is what my florist needs for Monday. So that's what I'm out here doing today. I know this will probably make lavender farmers laugh, but it's my first lavender harvest. It's pretty exciting to me. I made some bundles and I hung them to dry. We'll see how it goes. My little bouquets for the coffee shop are all nestled in their box and done. Normally I show you them, but I kind of forgot and I'd already stuck them in the box, so. They're cute. They've got a lot of frosted explosion grass. They're all just like little bouquets in vases. And then I have my order for the florist tomorrow. A lot of color and a lot of fall color. A lot of these darker colored sunflowers. And then some gladiolas. But they're pretty. And that's a wrap for this video. I hope everybody has a great day.